So long, Scatty. Glad I'm safe. This was 60 miles an hour. 60, 65 looks like head on. And somebody pulls out in front of you. What's up, y'all? I just wanted to give y'all a PSA of how important dash cams are. If you don't have one, please go out and get one. That dash cam pretty much saved my tail in regards to telling my story if I possibly couldn't. It's very important that you protect yourself with that $20 investment. That's all it is, guys. $20 freaking dollars. I'm thankful that all I ended up with was broken hand and some bruises on my arms and legs, and nobody was killed. So I'm very thankful. But that's what I ended up with, y'all. So I'm very thankful. I'm very fortunate. So like I said, this is just a PSA, guys. Go ahead and get you your dash cam. 6'2" Hemi. Peace.